In this lesson, you will learn how to check member supports and run an analytical consistency check on the analytical model. You will need to run analytical checks at different phases of the project and adjust the model accordingly. Click the menu browser and select Open. In the Open dialog, from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file rst-ayp-01 Analytical Checks. Let's explore the View template. Click the View tab, and from the Graphics panel, click the View Templates drop-down and select Apply New Template to Current View. In the Apply View Template dialog, under Show Type, select All. The Structural Analytical Normal View template includes structural components in a new analytical plan view and displays both the analytical model and the physical model. Under Names, select Structural Analytical Stick. This view template presents structural components in a new analytical plan and displays only the analytical model. Click Cancel, and let's view the analytical model settings. Click the Manage tab, and on the Project Settings panel, click Structural Settings. In the Structural Settings dialog, click the Analytical Model Settings tab. To perform the checks automatically, under Automatic Checks, you would click Member Supports and Analytical Physical Model Consistency. In this exercise, both the Model Supports check and the Analytical or Physical Model Consistency check verify all elements selected from the Structural Settings dialog. Click OK. And in the following steps, the member support checks are run to demonstrate the ability of Revit structure to identify possible unsupported elements within the model. This exercise is not intended to resolve all issues displayed in the training file. Click the Analyze tab, and from the Analytical Model Tools panel, click Support Checks. A warning dialog displays with the results of the member support analysis of the model. Click the Expand Warning dialog button to expand the warning messages. Under Warnings, expand the first warning, Warning 1, and select Structural Framing, HSS Round Structural Tubing. Then, click Show. In the Error Handling dialog, read the information displayed and click Close. Then, click inside the drawing area and use different view commands and the view cube to rotate the view until the unsupported element displays. Using the same method, you would review the remaining member support warnings, and after reviewing each warning, you would click Close in the warning dialog. In the following steps, a consistency check is run to demonstrate the ability of Revit structure to identify possible inconsistencies between the physical and analytical model. This exercise is not intended to resolve all issues displayed in the training file. From the Analytical Model Tools panel, click Consistency Checks. In the Revit Warning dialog, click Expand, and under Warnings, expand the first warning, and then expand Warning 1, and select Structural Columns, W-Wide Flange Column, and click Show. In the Error Handling dialog, click Close. Then click inside the drawing area and use the view cube to rotate the view until the inconsistent element displays. Using the same method, review the remaining analytical warnings, and after reviewing each warning, click Close in the warning dialog. When finished, on the view cube, click Home and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.